All right, here we are at 3625 Victor Ave in Brookhaven, and just want to give you the highlights. So check out that drone footage, of course, but inside, this house is immaculate. So when you come in the front door, you're going to see the open concept. You're going to see the killer kitchen, and then you have the 3 bedrooms, the 1 bath upstairs, and the finished basement. So 2 rooms down there and a bathroom. And what you've just been, watching in the drone footage is that backyard. So definitely fenced in, a lot of room, and there's the high point. So here's just flying around the area a little bit. You're not far from the park, and you can actually see, I believe, the Commodore Barry Bridge when we were flying around. So take that in, and you can move into this one and do nothing. That is the beauty of it. So that is what everybody's looking for these days. But again, that finished basement is the real, added bonus here, because it is a ton of space. I was down there a while ago, previously, and it just, when it's fully finished, it just pops. So you'll see that, and that's a quick rundown. So it is a corner lot. You do have the big backyard, you have the shed, and you do have hardwood floors throughout. So really just trying to hit the highlights in these, quick intros. And, that's essentially it. We're going to bring you back down in the front of the house. Then we're going to get you actually boots on the ground to check out the exterior. And after that, as always, we're going to do the thorough interior tour. So here we go. All right, nothing more tranquil than listening to the birds chirp away. But here we are at 3625 Victor here in Brookhaven, and this is something special. So here we are on a corner lot, plenty of parking. We're gonna stick to the outside first to show you what we have going on. So all brick, newer roof. We'll have everything in the disclosure for you. But this video tour is supposed to basically accomplish everything you would see with an in-person tour. So parking, if you really want it, could extend all the way back here. Just want to give you a glimpse of the neighborhood, show you where you're situated here. Now, good backyard here. There's a play set tucked in the corner. And then look at this backyard oasis. So plenty of outdoor seating, massive yard, in my opinion. I'm not even all the way in the corner here. So there it is. You walk out essentially right from the kitchen there, and you can come out to this backyard space. You can see 2 areas to actually sit and socialize and entertain while having the kiddos or anyone playing the playset. So we'll spin you around. Plenty of room here for a shed. That's there. There's the central AC. And just wanted to show you the back of this house. So let's be a little bit uncustomary and walk in this door. I left it open. So in we go, and this is really a good way to see the house. I'll do the front door too. Finished basement, and then take this in. Look at this. Unbelievable kitchen. So I'll walk you all around. Plenty of seating if you want to set this up differently. So pub height here all the way around, and here is that kitchen. So I don't even think the video does it justice, honestly. True area here to dine, and then it's all one open, flowing space. Here is the living room. And again, if you're coming in the front door, I would come in right here. All right. So that is the shot right there. So here's the upstairs. Has some closets here, attic access there, and 1, 2, 3 bedrooms. So we'll just kind of peek in. Now there are hardwood floors here. The bedrooms are carpeted. You can see the hardwood floors. So bedroom 1, a bedroom 2. That is a queen bed. And I'll tuck you in this corner here. You can see the size of those closets. So good size. Newer windows, vinyl, single clasp. And then we'll tuck you into bedroom number 3. So also a pretty good size room. So 2 windows, that's gonna look out on the backyard. I'll bring you around here.
show off that wall. All right, now the bathroom is quite long. Getting a shot was, you know, a little challenging, but plenty of room for a double sink if you so choose. Here's the shower here. All the kiddos' toys are in there, but it is, you know, big full-size shower. This does look out on the backyard, so you can see that and get your orientation of where you are in the house. I'll bring you back without tripping. And there we go. So that is the upstairs. Taking some more of this kitchen. I'm actually gonna walk you in there. So again, dining area. Show you how big this really is. That's a good sized table. You could easily fit another chair on each side. So it's a 6-seater. And there we are. So, into this kitchen, recessed lightings. You have the crown molding, tile floor. Just keep you low so you can see. There's the dishwasher. And I really like that sink placement because you still feel like if you're doing dishes or anything, you can see what's going on. There's that backsplash up close. Spin you around so you can see it all. Killer kitchen. And then recently redone, finished basement. So down we go. I really like the open feel. These areas do feel connected because there's no real door shutting them off or blocking them off. But look at this. Recessed lighting. That is a behemoth of a couch. And I'll take you here. There's plenty of other room. So closet right there. And here is the half bathroom. Also, recently redone, nice, new, and clean. Ready for you to enjoy. And if that wasn't enough, here's the game room. Or an additional, really whatever you want. If you want to do a 4th bedroom, obviously follow the rules. But this space is big. And you do get some natural light. So, just to point it out, right there would be a closet in my opinion. Because you do have it kind of already set up for that. And by the way, you have a closet right here as well. So we're not going to really open. I know they crammed some stuff in there. Oh, not bad. You can see that. And here is the laundry area and the mechanicals. So there you go. Laundry's here. We'll tuck you right back here to the good stuff. There's your water heater. Great area for storage. Hot water heater is electric. You do have a sink right there. And here is your heater. So I'll get you some more information on that. And DJ, good job. He's a good man. Very well respected for HVAC and plumbing. And that is it. So we're just gonna backtrack and show you absolutely everything. Obviously, we always add our drone footage as well. The beautiful stairs. Take that in one more time. Finished basement, a true finished basement. Can't beat it. So up we go. Show you the front. Just looking out from the front door. There you are. Beautiful neighborhood. Plenty of parking. Spin you around. There we are. Going in the front door of your new home. Here we are. And there we are officially. So there you go. I'll leave you with this shot of the kitchen. And as always, we're gonna add in some drone footage.